Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize Spotify songs by genre. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now, on the screen at the bottom, you can see options like Home, Search and your library. You have to select Search. Once you tap on Search, right below search bar you can see Browse All, where there are music, podcasts, live events made for you and many more options. You have to go to Music. Then under Music, once you scroll down, you can see all different kind of genres like pop, hip hop, rock, Latin, chart, dance or electronics. You have to tap on Explore All categories. There you can see all different other type of genres. All you have to do is select genre, and then Spotify is going to give you the playlist under that genre. All you have to do is open it and tap on the plus or download button right beside the three dot menu. Then you're gonna get that specific genres playlist on your library. And guys, that's it. That's how you organize your Spotify songs according to different genres. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.